Hey everyone, the Flying Alucha here, and we have made it to Waterloo Station. Look at that. I've got fucking 12 minutes to get to central London. Well, I'm in central London, but I've got 12 minutes to get there before the fucking bell rings and the fucking fireworks go off. Bro, I've got to leg it. Wish me luck. Bro, look at all the people. Shit. Bro, look at them all coming in. Holy shit, bro. You can get pickpocketed here, I'll tell you now. Looky, the coppers come out to play. Right, it's become so crowded I can't even get past. Oh well. Bro, look at the shard. Holy fucking shit. Jesus. Bro, it's a shame I can't get any closer to the Big Ben in London Eye, but fuck it. I'm literally missing everything. I can't see fuck all. Bro, that's fucked. I can't get through it. Yeah, it's done for, bro. I got here way too late. Fuck. Yeah, but that's fuck that. Look, there's no way I'm getting through there. Well, this is the closest I'm gonna get to anything. Well, fuck. I knew I should have got it earlier. Because when we went to Waterloo Station, they basically just fucking... Look, I can't see fuck all. They basically just shut off one of the entrances so you can't get through. So it's like, yeah, you're fucked, mate. I'm missing pretty much all the fireworks, and it's like... crowds of people blocking the way and... police cars. Yeah, fuck, really. Shit. Next time I remember to come 10 times early, you know? Give it another year from now. That can't be it. That's it, literally the cheers are over. Fuck man, I didn't think it'd be this bad. Well, the cheers aren't over, you hear cheers and the fireworks start up again. Oh, I'm missing all the shit, man. Fuck. It's because you live and learn, ladies and gentlemen, you live and learn. This is like the first time I've ever actually gone to London during the fireworks display. And it's like, fucking waste of time, look. Man. It's because there's like only one entrance you can actually go through. And they've shut off all the other entrances. So it's like, I'm walking and there's like no way through. Because there's like a crowd of people just blocking the area. So I suppose the police have like blocked that area off. Oh, fuck. Look, there's a fireworks going on over there, and I ain't gonna see it. It's funny, you know, all these people walking past me now thinking they can actually get a glimpse at the fucking Eiffel Tower and the Eiffel Tower. Nah, the Big Ben and London Eye, mate, you ain't getting any further than there, mate. That is blocked off. If you want to fucking crawl on the people or fucking rugby tackle everyone to the ground, then go ahead. Otherwise, you're fucked. Yeah, this is fucked, mate. Look, I can't even get past this bit. There's like police like blocking this area off too. Man, why didn't I come like 3 hours earlier? Shit.
Yes, os dois ex-Paulo, os dois Paulo.
Man, this fucking... Fuck's sake. This fucking bites. Look, look, all these people over there. Look, I can't get through because there's just crowds of people. Shut up. Man. Oh look, look, you can't even get through. There's the people there, and then there's like a big gap there. You can't even get through. The police will just block you off. Well, props to the people that managed to get on the bridge. Props to the people that managed to get on the bridge, mate, because I'm missing this whole thing. There's the Shard. Well, you live and learn, people, you live and learn. Bruv, I'm looking getting to London like fucking 9 o'clock in the morning if I have to, bruv, next year. If I have to, mate. Right, it's so loud I can't even hear anything. I can just hear people singing and talking and shit, but it's like I wish I was standing there now where all these people are standing at the very fucking front of this video. At the very start of this video, because they got the whole view of it and I missed everything. So that's like the way of getting out. See, it's completely blocked off. So yeah, look, they've just blocked it off. That was the way out. Fuck. Well, that's a great start to the year, isn't it? Missing his fireworks entirely. And crowds and crowds and crowds of people just blocking everywhere you go. Note to self, leave like fucking 3 hours beforehand. That's the Flying Lucha, je bye bye. Bruh, I'm just getting a bag of crisps in it. What the fuck? Eat away the pain, innit? Eat away the pain. Fuck's sake. Meh.